Right, so we are now on chapter 3, and this is the homework question, question 3. So we want to revise the what do you call that? Complete the square. So let's start. So let me show you the correct presentation. So you have to write something like that. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Now the difference between E and A max of complete the square, Isabel, is to make sure that the coefficient of something is 1. Coefficient of what? Coefficient of x squared. So what must we do? We will take out the 2x squared plus 3x. The last 3 here, the behind this 3 here, does it take part in the thing? Actually no lah, because this one is just extra one. So usually what you can do, you can even leave it outside the the completing the square. But inside, I need to make it equal by doing something extra here. What is the something? Plus 3x squared wrong. Plus 3 over 2 squared. Do you know why? Because over here, this is x squared plus 2ab, right? So this is x. This one? 3 over 2, right? Remember? So this is the ab. So I need to plus the b squared, then you what? Minus the b squared. Remember? Oh, so when you do that, then you are what? You are ready to do complete the square. Now complete the square only involve these 3 items, right? So these 3 items can combine to 2 items. Do you remember? Okay, so I have something like that. So now I start. Gerald, what do I write in the red box? These 3 things combined. I help you to set up something squared, but what plus what? X plus 3 over 2. Okay? Then behind this thing here, you press calculator, minus 9 over 4. Now you can do the expansion. 2 bracket x plus 3 over 2 square. Expand again, minus 9 over 2 plus 3. Last step, I need to combine these two together. Next. Use your calculator, tell me what is the answer. The behind lor, minus 9 over 2 plus 3. What do you get? Huh? Huh? Oh, thank you. Minus 3 over 2. So why suddenly become 9 over 2? Because the 9 over 4 must also times the 2. Like the expansion like that. Then after that I plus 3, then I get that. Okay, done. Now, looking at this, I need to answer the question. Uh, Wait a minute. Do you? I am not comfortable with this. Do you see it's a minus? Yeah, never mind lah. Ignore lah. Now, for B, state the minimum point. So what's the minimum point? So fx is here. B, minimum point. Do you know? Do you remember? Can I talk about the minimum point first? What is the minimum point? This is fx, in case you're wondering. How do I find the minimum point? Do you remember or not? SILT, right? Turning point. Turning point. Very good. Turning point. How do I find turning point? x equals to what? x1 plus x2 over 2, that one only comes when I have two brackets. But for this kind of square one, the line of symmetry actually is born from the inside. So may I ask you, x equals to 3 over 2 or negative 3 over 2? Negative 3 over 2. Do you still remember? Somewhat. Something like that. Do you still remember? Then what about the y part? Sub in, right? Sub in. So sub in, what do you get? You will get negative 3 over 2 as well. How do I get this value? I will sub in into the equation. So negative 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 square minus 3 over 2. I press this in calculator, then I get negative 3 over 2. So far, everything okay? Alright. Now, so B is done. C. I want to sketch from negative 4 to 1. Since I already got SILT, the only thing I don't have is the endpoint. So I try to find endpoint first. Endpoint x equals to what? Negative 4. So I sub. Y equals to, not y, fx equals to 2. I sub back into the original equation, easier, right? I sub back into this original equation. 2 minus 4 square plus 6 negative 4 plus 3. Can you help me with the calculator? Negative 29. Thank you. Are you sure? 11. So this is negative 4, 11. Now try again. X equals to 1. 1. 0. 2, 1 square plus 6, 1 plus 3. What do you get? 11 again. Okay. Now, since I got my T, S I know already, right? S, this is a U shape or N shape? U. I will need to find the Y-intercept. So x equals to 0. Fx is equals to 2, 0 square plus 6 times 0 plus 3. So this is equals to 3, right? Okay, so the y-intercept is 0, 3. Here I am somewhat ready to sketch the graph already. So let's go. Let's go. So this is fx, the y-axis. This is x, the x-axis. So what else do we need? Turning point 0, 3 have already. Minimum point minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Line of symmetry minus 3 over 2. So I have a line, a curve like that, then like that, right? But this black one is y equals to 2x squared plus 6x plus 3. I need to draw the modulus. So modulus looks like what? The first part change? No, right? First part is the same. Second part? Go up. Third part? Same, right? So I can take my eraser and then I erase the green part, the black part. Right? Like that. So now I need to put in all the points. Put in all the points. So let's start. This is 3. This point is negative 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Because flip up, so the point change. My first endpoint and my second endpoint. So this is negative 4, 11. This is 1, 11. All done. All done. Right, I just need to read the question D. Then I pause the screen here for you all to copy whatever you need. Now, D says solve. the equation where this is equals to 1. So I write down D, I write down D. Fx is equals to 1. Now, what does this mean? Draw what line? This, I want your attention to be at this yellow thing. Do you know what do you need to draw? 1. 1 is good. Is it a horizontal one or vertical one? Horizontal. Do you know why? Because this thing is the graph, right? This thing is already the graph, right? The curve. So which means I need to replace it with fx equals to 1. That means equals to 1, which is somewhat similar to y equals to 1, because the y-axis is now called the fx axis. So 1 means I need to look. This point here is 3 over 2, 1.5. So 1, is it above the turning point, or above or below the turning point? Below. Below means I have a line like that. So this is fx equals to 1. Question. How many times does the red line and the green line cut? 4. State. Oh my god. Solve. Solve then got problem already. Okay, can I zoom in now? Can I check all copied already? All taken down. Can I just zoom into the graph? Now, do you agree that the graph itself will have four answers? 4 answers, right? So how do I solve? Very simple. I just need to solve this 2x squared plus 6x plus 3 is equals to 1, right? How do I solve? Very simple. I will have what? Plus minus 1, right? Or can I stop the video here? Worst case is the mode 33.